Hello class, this is Leonard, and I am recording this game. I was going to do something a little different. I was going to show you guys real quick some of the behind the scenes stuff real quick from somebody that's not very good at computers, so you can kind of see a little bit of um, not very clean coding and a little bit of, disarray. But that's where we're at. It ended up working. Some of the cool things I was trying to do, I wanted to give, when the ball picked up the objects, I wanted it to do a little ring. You can kind of hear it through my microphone. I'll play it again. So I was going to have it do that every time it picked up one of the objects, and I couldn't get it to do that. I was able to put in audio while it played, and that was attached to the camera. Main camera here, and you can see that it plays my audio clip here. One thing I was trying to do, I couldn't quite figure it out. He extended it to Wednesday, so I was going to maybe try to do that, and it was I was trying to get it to doing that ring thing. Yeah, I couldn't quite get it, and it had to do with adding it here, which involved anyway. I removed it. Audio source right here. Anyway, so let me take you to the game. It turned out okay for a newbie. And you can kind of hear the music through you're hearing it through where I'm talking, because you have to have Pro in order to hear the sound. But the workaround is you can hear it through my headset. So I'll go ahead and run the game. And I tried to use the OBS recording system, and it did this cascade thing. And it sounded like, I saw it on the internet, it sounded like everybody had a problem with it, so I'm not sure. Well, not very good at video games. And there we go. It took me, I don't even know how many hours, countless hours to do this thing, so good luck, you guys. If I can do it, anybody can do it, though, so there you go.